I'm addicted, y'all.
It's called movement.
Oh, we're gonna be in the car, so. I picked up all of the ingredients for Nature's cereal. I want to see what all the hype's about because to me, it just looks like an unblended smoothie. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, pomegranate seeds, coconut water. I thought I'd change it up a little bit and use pineapple flavored coconut water. Lastly, Lizzo adds in some ice cubes. Mix it up. I'm going to be completely honest, it tastes exactly how it looks. Fruit and water, but it's good.
Nature's cereal. Let's see what this is all about. Strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Can't forget the ice. And then add coconut water. Well, the answer is, it's bussin'.
Y'all, we gonna try the Nature cereal. This thing better be bussin'. Listen, if it ain't bussin', you know I'm telling y'all because you know TikTok don't do nothing but try to sell you a dream. And they be lying. But we gonna see what the vibe is. I have to use strawberries because pomegranates is not in season. I got a real cucumber. Bitch, don't stop. I got a real cucumber. I don't know. I mean a real thing. I don't know. I got the juice too for that reason too, because we just finna use the juice. The water. I didn't want to put the ice because I can't eat cold stuff, but I'm gonna put the ice because maybe you need. All right now. Bitch, you taste like nothing. I'm gonna eat it though. This is good for the pussy.
Hey you guys.
Hey.
Today we're gonna be making Nature's cereal. Start out with raspberries, blueberries.
You can also use like other fruit too.
Yes, whatever fruit you like. Blackberries. And the best part, pomegranate. Put it in there.
Looks really good.
Looks so good. So we're gonna be using coconut water today. It's cold. If you don't like coconut water, you can use something else. This is what the original video said to use. Just gonna pour it over. Looks so good. Like, mix it up, take a bite. Oh my gosh. That's really good. It's actually.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this Nature cereal that Lizzo was talking about. Here is ice in a bowl already. Pomegranates. Some blackberries. I'm allergic to strawberries, so I'm not gonna do strawberries. And blueberries. Okay. Coconut. Water. That's what it looks like, guys. Oh my god. It feels good.
I call it Nature's cereal. This combination, I'm gonna share with you what it does for me specifically. Whenever I eat this cereal in the morning, first thing in the morning, it helps with digestion. So any kind of constipation issues, it'll help. It'll definitely give you relief in that way. But my number one thing when I eat this, number one thing that I notice is the energy level. The energy level is through the roof.
Forcing my boyfriend to go to Whole Foods with me to try Lizzo's new stack. These are all the ingredients you're gonna need. First, assemble. Add some ice. Voila.